I am Akansha and today I am going to talk about some healthy weight loss tips. First, before starting with the tips, I just want to give a little background about me that I have the most bad metabolism you can imagine. Like if I eat chole bhature in the breakfast and butter chicken in lunch, it will show on my face by dinner for sure. So all my friends out there who has this kind of metabolism, I know what are you feeling. And I also want to say that I do all these tips for a healthy body, a healthy lifestyle, not to fit in a perfect size. So always remember, whatever you want to do it for yourself, not to fit for some ideal set size. I'm not the most ideal body you will find, but I love myself. I love my body. I do everything. I feel healthy. That's why I do everything. Not because someone says that this is the ideal size. I totally disagree with ideal sizes as ideal body type. Everyone is beautiful in whatever size or shape they are in. So, on this note, let's start. First thing I want to mention is believe in whatever you do. Believe that it will work. If you are doing two squats and thinking, yeah, it will work, it's helping me, it will affect 10 times more than doing 30 minutes of workout and thinking, no, it will not gonna work. So always believe in whatever you do. Now, my first point is remove the word diet from your dictionary. Do whatever you are doing and count it as a lifestyle change. Never go on a diet. If you are cutting processed food or if you are removing sugar, do it permanently. Don't do it for 1 or 2 weeks and then go back to normal. No. I never avoid anything. I eat everything in moderation. Even if I remove something from my diet, I remove it permanently. I never go back after 1 or 2 weeks. I eat very basic home cooked meal, and your home cooked meal is best for you. Don't go for fancy avocados or berries or something. If you are grown up eating parathas, then eat paratha. Maybe instead of eating three, you can eat one. But stick to your basic home cooked meal. If you want me to make a what I eat in a day video, I will more than happy to make that. Just comment down below. Do at least 30 minutes of workout daily. And if you don't have that much time, there are many workout videos on YouTube which are only 10 minutes long. I will link my favorite one in the description below. But do something that you love, like dancing or yoga or cardio is your thing, or you can just skip for 5-10 minutes. Like do some kind of physical activity daily. Portion control. This one helped me a lot. Use small bowls, small plates. If you are eating some snacks, then don't eat directly from the packet. First, take it out in a small bowl. It will prevent you from overeating and help you in the long run. Be active all day. Don't just do a 30 minutes of workout and then sleep all day. It will not work. Be active all day. Walk, take stairs, walk while you are talking to your friend, or do 10 push-ups every time you scroll through your social media, or 5 jumping jacks after every 30 minutes. Like do some kind of physical activity all day. Reduce and make changes. Reduce sugar, processed food and outside food. You can start with using less or no sugar in your coffee and tea, and or reducing outside food and processed food to once a week. Remove any unnecessary junk from your house. Switch to alternative healthy options, especially for your snacks. This will sound a little weird, but do 10-minute walk after every meal. I am doing this for years now. I take a 10-minute walk in my room after every meal. I just play my favorite song or some YouTube video and just walk. I really feel like it helped me to beat that laziness after eating. Eat after every 2 hours. Most of you must know this, but how many people follow this? It will help you in many ways. It will prevent you from overeating. If your meals are planned, then you will not eat junk. Break your meals into small parts. Like rather than having breakfast, lunch and dinner, take breakfast, take snacks, then lunch, then after lunch you can have a little snack, and so on. Posture. It may not help in weight loss, but it definitely helps in confidence. Sit straight, walk straight, you will feel much better. Drink a lot of water. It's very common everyone talk about, but it works wonders for your skin and body. Always carry a water bottle with you. Drink 1 glass of water before every meal. And last but very important thing is start now. Don't wait for New Year, next month, Monday. No, start now. If you need a push, then today just do the planning, and from tomorrow morning, start your journey. There is no idle day or idle time. It's all in our head. It's a fresh day. Who is stopping you? And yeah, that is all for the tips. And I also want to mention, as a die-hard foodie, I know how hard it is to keep myself motivated. But I know in my mind, I know in my heart that it's a long process. I believe in whatever I do, that it's working on my body. I am doing it for myself, and but I know in the long run it will help me. So I follow everything. Just do it for yourself, love yourself. I promise everything will work out the way you want it to work out. So yeah guys, this is all for this video. Comment down below any video you want me to make. Give it a thumbs up if this video helps you. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next Friday. Till then, be active. Take care. Bye. Bye.